Welcome back to Weekend Out. My name is Gaurav. नाम तो सुना होगा. अब Dubai recently witnessed a very unique sort of competition. It was a competition which was meant to salute all the super moms in the city. I personally feel being a super mom is a completely thankless job. So from the entire team of Weekend Out and me, here's a big salute to all the super moms who work tirelessly to fill our lives with so much love and happiness.
Dubai witnessed a 3-day fun-filled extravaganza dedicated to none other than our real-life superwomen, our superheroes, our super moms. An event dedicated to celebrate motherhood as Dubai saw them straight from their homes participating in their full spirits to win the title of Super Mom.
Since I became a mother, I realized how difficult it is in this country. Like, you have to manage home, and if you want to have a work life, professional life, there's a huge struggle because it's not only just physical struggle, even emotionally, to detach yourself from home and concentrate in the work part. So I thought that this concept will really work, and that's when I realized, Dubai needs super mom.
Okay, not all superheroes wear capes, right? At least super moms definitely don't wear capes, but it's time you told your mom that she is a super mom. You could probably sing a song to her saying, "Tu meri hero, ah ah." Okay, maybe this is not a proper song, but tell your mom she is your superhero.
I was a bit nervous, but at the same time I wanted to prove my kids also that it's not always winning. You have to give it a try. Whether you win or lose, the second thing.
It was really fun because they made us do different kind of games, and I think we really enjoyed it.
The contestants made their way to different contests like Super Mom Beauty Contest, Glamorous Mom, Beautiful Hair, Beautiful Smile, Singing, Dancing, Stress Buster Games, and even Team Games.
It gives us an appreciation that we can do lots of things for our kids. Unbelievable. It was very enjoyable. That's why I'm so excited I'm here.
Oh, it's really a great feeling participating, the sportive spirit of every mom comes out, that's really nice.
The judges managed a fair judgment by awarding the best suited candidate with the Super Mom title.
Every win makes you feel special, but this win is very special for me because it's kind of a bonding what you enjoy and your child make you so special. It has definitely a greater fun than other contests. One more thing that we explored some of the qualities, some of the talents. Like I sang a lot here, which I was never doing it before, and I got, nice compliments. So definitely that quality I'm going to enhance further. It was wonderful.
In this episode, हमने आपको काफी कुछ दिखा दिया, right? We took you to a party, then we took you to a breast cancer awareness walk, we took you to the Change Initiative. Now we're going to take you to something that you've never seen on Weekend Out. It's time for the Al Marmoom Camel Race.
The 2012 Al Marmoom Camel Race was an initiative dealing with camel races at the local, regional, Arab and international arena with the intent to make this sport universally popular and also to make Dubai the world center for organizing such races.
We have to make exercise and have to make not to give him more food. Maybe we have a rest before 2 or 3 days. And before 1 week or 2 weeks, I will make a training for him. Yeah, it will be ready for race.
The camel races are organized in an effort to preserve the Emirati and Arab culture and tradition. The event saw race enthusiasts from UAE and GCC countries. In fact, this race also had some global visitors.
The preparations for the final race day were in itself a sight not to be missed, as it was graced by the presence of Dubai Crown Prince and Chairman of Dubai Sports Council, His Highness Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum.
I've never seen a camel race before. It's absolutely incredible. They're such amazing animals.
I just love it. I love the spectacle of it. I think the camels are just so beautiful, and it just has a great atmosphere with all the cars and the camels racing, and it's just great.
जिस स्पीड से एक कैमल भागे थे ना, अब उसी स्पीड से मैं भी भागूंगा, लेकिन सिर्फ जाने के लिए नहीं, उसी स्पीड से भागकर अगले हफ्ते वापस भी आ जाऊंगा। बस अगले हफ्ते तक यही याद रखिएगा, नो सवाल, नो डाउट, सबका सॉल्यूशन, वीकेंड आउट।